What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Nathan Christ, and today I'm going to make a series of short videos that talk all about how to irrigate your lawn. So when is the best time to run my irrigation system, or when is the best time to water my lawn? The best schedule I can tell you is first thing in the morning, 2 to 3 days a week. Give it a chance to water in deeply. You don't go into the midday sun where it either evaporates or the light comes through and hits those beads of water on the grass and acts like a magnifying glass and fries your grass or fries your plants. And you're not doing it too late in the evening, where if you do it too late in the evening and you put that grass to bed wet, and that's where you open up yourself to fungus like brown patch or rust or different things like that, where your grass has become infected or diseased, not infected, but diseased, or has a fungus. A lot of times it's from putting it to bed wet. So hopefully this short video answered your question. If you've got any other questions about watering, check out our water playlist, or you can check out some of these videos that might be popping up, boom, 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 some of these places here, and get some more of your questions specifically answered as to how, when, how often, at what time should I water my lawn. So guys, that's it. We appreciate you. We love you. Thank you for hanging in there with us. And above all else, God bless you guys.